Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I've been talking about the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 6a for like several videos now, but one of the things I think that's super important is the overall speed of each device. And so without further ado, we're going to be hopping into a speed test between the Google Pixel 6a and the Google Pixel 7. These have two different types of processors inside of them. Google Tensor Chip Gen 1 and Google Tensor Chip Gen 2. Now, on paper, this actually isn't that much more powerful. I think it's a little more powerful in the GPU area and also battery efficiency. So we'll see in this video, should you be paying roughly, I want to say on average, $400 more for this device, or probably $300 to $400 more for this device in terms of speed? Is it worth the upgrade just due to overall raw speed? So without further ado, let's do a app opening comparison between these two devices, and we will determine the winner at the end of this video, and I will recommend which one of these devices you should go pick up in terms of raw power and speed. Let's hop into it. Okay, people, we've arrived at the speed portion of this test. Both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so that's one variable controlled. And essentially this is easy because literally they run the same stock apps. They all on the same stock apps or in the same order, as you can see right here. So this is gonna make this really easy. I'm going to start off with the homepage stuff. So we're just going to go left to right. And yeah, let's see which one of these devices is actually faster. I'm so curious. Google Pixel 7 on the left here, Google Pixel 6a on the right. You can tell the difference between the two mostly. Well, if you can see the white accent on that one, that's Pixel 7. And the Pixel 7 is slightly faster. So I'm going to be doing my best to try to click the apps at the same time. I might fail here and there, so there might be some judgment calls. Leave a comment down below if you have a differing opinion on like which one is faster in general, or you think I got some apps wrong throughout the video. So without further ado, let's hop into Play Store. 3, 2, 1. That was actually the Google Pixel 6a. That was really weird. So things like that will happen in this video. We'll do Gmail. 3, 2, 1. And I don't think that's a fair comparison because the email app is signed in on the Pixel 6a, so we're going to disregard that one. 3, 2, 1 on photos. That was also insanely close. I think that might have been the Pixel 6a. Leave a comment down below. YouTube, 3, 2, 1. That was like almost identical. I don't know. That might have been the Pixel 7. It's hard to tell. We'll do phone dialer. Also, brightness shouldn't really play a factor in this, but they're roughly on the same brightness. Let's do phone dialer. 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to redo that because I didn't click the Pixel 6a. 3, 2, 1. That's the Pixel 7. We'll do messages. 3, 2, 1. Pixel 7. Do Chrome. 3, 2, 1. And the Chrome browser was actually already open on the Pixel 7, so I'm going to redo that. 3, 2, 1. And that was actually faster on the Google Pixel 6a. This is just weird in general. Like, this should not be happening. Like, the Pixel 6a, to me, is, like, in the lead right now. So we'll continue this, and we'll see what ends up happening. We'll do camera. 3, 2, 1. That was really close. I'm going to try that one more time. I don't think you guys understand how hard this is, like, as a reviewer. I think that was faster on the Pixel 6a. That was really weird. Do calculator. 3, 2, 1. That looks like the Pixel 7. Do calendar. 3, 2, 1. I literally think that was identical. I couldn't even tell the difference. We already did those. We'll do clock. 3, 2, 1. I think that was Pixel 6a. We will do context. 3, 2, 1. So close, I can't even tell. I think that might have been Pixel 6a though. We'll do, oh, now the order is slightly off. We'll do drive. 3, 2, 1. Pixel 6a, that was pretty clear. Files, I guess. 3, 2, 1. Pixel 6a. This is so weird. Unless, like, they just toned down the clock speed of the Pixel 7 to preserve battery life or something like that. Not sure. Where was I? This is files. Let's do Gboard. 3, 2, 1. It's identical. Already did Gmail. Google No, we'll do Google. 3, 2, 1. Pixel 7. Might have been a slight like input delay on the Pixel 6a there. Google TV. This should be a good one. Like once again on the Pixel 6a. What the heck? All right. We just did Google TV. Let's try. Is Google Pay on the Pixel 7? I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. It's kind of weird. There's like more stock apps installed on the Pixel 6a than there are on the Pixel 7. Let's try safety. 3, 2, 1. Pixel 6a, I think. We'll try YouTube Music. Let's try that again. YouTube Music. 3, 2, 1. Once again, Pixel 6a. That makes no sense. Recorder. 2, 1. I think that was Pixel 6a. Trying to look for other apps. I feel like I've done like everything. Google Translate? Is that even on here? I think I've hit like almost every single app. But essentially, oh, we gotta do Maps. Maps is huge. Where's Maps on here? Okay. 3, 2, 1. And that was Pixel 6a. That's so weird. Okay. I have the results, and this is weird. Pixel 6a in general was a faster device throughout this test. The Pixel 7 won in certain categories, certain apps, but this thing just like is faster. And this is running 90 hertz. This is running 60 hertz. Like it's not, I don't think it's the animations. Like this should technically feel faster, but it's not. This is weird. And leave a comment down below what your thoughts on here. And based on these results, ladies and gentlemen, like this is the winner. I mean, like straight up, like this is the winner by a pretty significant margin as well. So if you're looking for speed, Pixel 6a might be the best option, and it's less money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are some weird results. If I missed anything, leave a comment down below. And as always, I appreciate all you guys watching these videos. And see you on the next one. Bye, Scott Tyler. Thanks, everyone.